And I just connected the dots. That's our little injured girl. That's the one I named Indira. I'm surprised she and Mom are getting along. Maybe it's a mother thing. That would explain the growling too. Because she's not kind to having visitors. Right, sweetie? I'll show her whenever I can show her without showing the damage to her fur in the back end. But you must be one of Mama's, because she would not be tolerating you there. And you wouldn't be quiet either. You'd be snarling. Have to be careful. She keeps creeping into the frame. Somebody over there. I don't know who it was. A little poof over by the feeder. Hold you over for a couple minutes, or you might not get any of those. A few more. I don't know what that thump was. It's a sound I would make if I fell off. If I fell off the roof there, and that would be the sound I'd make when I hit the ground. Like a thud. Oh, gesnarf. Gesnarf. Here, sweetie. Ready? There. Save you some conflict with our little girl. Mama's thinking, less yapping, more treating. Right? Go. And she's not paying any attention to the little one growling at her here, so she's obviously either the mother or the grandmother. Well, I don't think she's not the mother, because I know her children from last year, and she's not one of them, so she might be a child from the year before. Or granddaughter, I mean.